Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into a captivating term that is a color. A deep brown color with reddish undertones, creating a sophisticated and classic appearance. Well, how do we say its name correctly? We may pronounce it as mahogany, mahogany, hog-ni, mahogany. In interior design and fashion, mahogany is celebrated for its ability to add depth and richness to any space or outfit. Isn't it fascinating how breaking down a word can make it clearer? If you enjoyed learning about mahogany, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Thanks for watching. Remember, knowledge is power. See you next time.